I'm sure you've heard about physics before. Some people say it's hard. Other people say you have to study it if you want to be an engineer or a doctor. But physics is actually way simpler than what you might think. The word physics comes from the Greek words physis, which means nature, and physik, which means knowledge of nature. So, it's really about studying nature and how it works. So, what kind of things are studied in physics? You'll study energy, force, light, and movement. You'll look at the way matter moves through space and time, and how things like energy and force affects that movement. What we're trying to discover in physics is how exactly the universe behaves. So you'll be learning about the fundamental laws of the universe. Like, why don't we float up into the sky? Or why our hands look different when we put them underwater. Physics is actually one of the oldest academic disciplines. Nearly every civilization had some form of physics. It's the way that we understand the world in a scientific way. But what relevance does it have to other subjects? Both chemistry and biology rely on the laws of physics in order to perform calculations. But physics also impacts our daily lives. Cell phones and computers were created by following the laws of physics that study electricity. The same goes for kitchen appliances. Motor cars were invented when scientists discovered how to convert fuel into kinetic energy to get the car moving. And that's also how factory machinery was built. Even in medical care, machines like X-rays and ultrasounds were created by studying the principles of light and electricity. In fact, if you look at any human invention, you will see the influence of physics. Even creative industries like film production benefit from the study of physics. So it's actually quite important. And not just for old men. So what do we know about physics? We know that it means the study of nature. More importantly, physics is about examining how matter moves through space and time, and how it is affected by things like energy and force. And by studying this, we can begin to understand some of the fundamental laws of the universe. Physics covers a huge range of topics, including light, electricity, movement, energy, and force. And the study of physics has led to all kinds of inventions that we use in our everyday lives. See? Physics is awesome.